All right, so I think I fixed this phone here. I'll put it all back together, and I already tried it. I already tried it, and turned it on and off, and I got his information off it to get a hold of him. I had his number before, but I can't find it right now. Samsung wasn't doing anything before, wasn't even getting this, so you can see this, you see the phone, but I guess it might be privacy conflict. So the phone is starting. It's really, so, and now just hitting the power button. There we go. That's it. I'm gonna give him a call and say, hey, I ordered the parts, but I think I fixed your phone for you. So I'm gonna put the screws back here. That's why I got all the screws.